What's up guys, I'm Avik and today's vlog is about a problem. It's not my problem, it's problem to every vlogger who don't have a rotating screen camera. I was looking for some application that can help me to monitorize while I'm vlogging because I'm using D7200 and as you know it don't have a rotating screen. So I can't see myself while I'm vlogging. So I was looking for some application yesterday, but I didn't find a suitable application to mount my mobile as a monitor to monitorize myself while I'm vlogging. So today I found a software called Digital Camera Control and it will help you to monitorize yourself while you are vlogging. So let's see how it works.